Good day, smart families. Now, this is a very short announcement and a very important announcement that I would want to relay to all of you. In fact, I do cherish all of you, and thanks to all of you for being part of this wonderful family. Now, there is a good news, and the good news is that Atta Smart Tutorials YouTube platform and all our other social media platforms is now expanding and improving and increasing and adding more value to the channels and to the platforms. You know what? Now, the main focus is to help all of you and other people who will be coming later on to be able to know how to invest in your YouTube platforms, how to know the right thing to do and the wrongs to stay away from, so that you can grow your YouTube platforms massively. And that's exactly what we've been doing for all this while. I don't know what. The good news is that the attention is also increasing and focusing on the growth of the youth, the growth of teachers, the growth of learners, and the growth of university graduates and the young in the communities. As a teacher myself, a professional teacher myself, you know what? I have actually come to realization that a whole lot of teachers and the youth are mostly complaining as to why they are broke, why they are poor, why they are not able to make it into the system. And you know what? There are certain one or two mistakes that they've been doing financially that have been causing them that particular conditions, and as a result, I will be from now onwards be sharing financial education over here in addition to the YouTube growth tutorials. Oh yes, and I think it's cool, it's ideal to inform all of you. I wouldn't want it to be like a sudden thing, a sudden inclusion, no. And that is the reason I am making this special video, to alert you, to inform you, my cherished subscriber, my cherished follower over here on Atta Smart Tutorials. And so we're going to be having sound financial education, smart financial education for the youth alongside the YouTube growth tutorials. And you know what? If you are a fan of the YouTube growth tutorials, don't worry. I am not going to stop. From time to time, subsequently, I'll be coming your way with powerful YouTube growth tutorials, videos over here, alongside the sound and smart financial education, how to invest in lands, how to actually invest with your monies, the right ways to invest. Now, the right ways to use your monies financially so that you wouldn't run bankrupt, so that you would not be found wanting in the world of business, in the world of finances. You know what? A whole lot of people even take loans the wrong way. They take loans and invest them in things that loans do not supposed to be used for. Do you know one thing? As a result of this decision, a whole lot of the youth are currently running from their responsibilities, are currently crying, weeping, going down. And I don't want it to happen to you. And so, if you know any teacher, if you know any youth, any young lady or young man, and you know that these financial education would actually help, do well to share this video to the person, do well to recommend this particular video to the person, so that subsequently and from now onwards, the person can be watching financial educations alongside the YouTube growth tutorials. Currently, and in no time, we're going to be Smart Teachers Avenue, as we are on other social media platforms. On Facebook, Smart Teachers Avenue; on TikTok, Smart Teachers Avenue; and on YouTube over here, in no time, Smart Teachers Avenue. And it's going to be great over here. Trust me, there are a whole lot of powerful videos, powerful education, powerful financial education over here that is actually going to help you. Are you a teacher? Are you a graduate? Are you a youth in Africa and across the globe, and you would want to get more financial education to succeed? When you check over here, these lands that you see over here are owned by people, and you know how they were able to secure these lands. In fact, there is a clear way and in a smart way to secure these lands so that you can also be owning lands. I'll be sharing all these tips over here for you so that it helps you to be able to actually secure your future. Thank you very much, and let me know what kind of videos, financial video, would you want me to make. Financial literacy videos, talk about investment, lands, treasury bills, whatever that it is that you would want to actually have a watch, have a listen to, have ideas on that. put it in the comment section, and I'll get time, attend to you, and make more videos about that so that it can also help you and help all the youths. Don't worry, there are a whole lot of mind-blowing, powerful videos coming over here on this platform. Thank you very much. See you next time in the next video.